AI doesn't replace developers, it recruits them. Welcome to the channel. My name's Andy and I am the Code Rebel. Everyone on YouTube and social media, they think AI is replacing developers. That seems to be the general consensus. But who's building the tools that AI runs on? Who's maintaining the infrastructure? Who's fixing all the bugs? And who's making them work in the real world and applying stuff that AI does in the real world? AI doesn't end coding, it's going to expand it. We'll always need the people who understand the logic, the systems, and humans, and you can relate to humans and interface with them. So no, AI is not taking your job, it's creating the next one. What do you think? Do you think that more jobs are coming? Do you think it's going to expand the horizons? Or do you agree with everyone else that it's going to replace humans? I don't think it will. I don't think it'll take all jobs. We'll see.